Hello, welcome to APG.Studio and another 15 minutes evening yoga. Nice stretching for your body after a busy day, after working behind the desk, sitting long hours. Time to stretch your body. Nice way to release any tension and prevent any aches or pains. And you're ready to start almost. If you're watching first time, please click subscribe and click notification bell to never miss any content from my channel. And you're ready to start right now. I'm going to start with your cross legs sitting on the floor. So please remember, it's always easier to achieve the right position for your pelvis, to have the right alignment for your spine, just sitting on something. Could be yoga blocks, could be blanket, pillow or two. Just your hips a little bit higher. And first with your arms in, try to reach really high. Stretch your arms, stretch your upper body. And when you exhale, try to relax your shoulders. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And few more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Reaching really high. And slowly relax. And now right arm. Try to bend to your left side. Remember, left side is relaxed as you're stretching your right. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And maybe one more. To your right, left arm straight, right elbow, shoulder nice and soft. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Both arms to the side. And let's twist left and right. Inhale, center. Exhale, side. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And to your right. And relax. Lift your shoulders and relax. Now your head side to side. Try to work with your neck area, your upper back. And now turn left and right. Good breaths in and slowly out. Back to center. Now when you inhale, look up, and exhale, head down. Stretch your neck, but control your breaths. Inhale, look up, got your airway fully open, and exhale, chin to your chest. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, and exhale. And one more. Back to center. Arms up, inhale, exhale, move forward. Inhale, lift. Slowly exhale. Sitting nice and upright, pushing your chest forward, pulling shoulders back. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale, lift. And slowly relax. Okay. Now on your floor, start with your hands underneath your shoulders, knees of your hips width apart, tucking those under, try to arch your back, so pushing belly down, look forward. When you exhale, opposite movement, but avoid pushing from your upper back, push from your lower area, so you're making movement with your pelvis. Inhale, pelvis tilt forward, and exhale, tuck under. Good breaths. Inhale as you're stretching, chest and your arms, glutes, and exhale, your lower back. Inhale and exhale. And now left arm pushing forward, inhale. As you exhale, try to move back and down to stretch your left side. Inhale, go up, and exhale, bend your right arm, reach to the floor. Inhale, slowly exhale. And now, left underneath your shoulder, right forward, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Last one. And now toes stuck under. Lift your knees, move your body back to go down dog position. And march in the spot. Watch your head position just between your arms, looking down. And slowly on your floor to child pose. With your hips higher or lower. Muscles in your neck, so you're not dropping your head down. Head, neck in line with your spine. Control your abs and maybe hips side to side. Okay, back to center. Right leg forward, squeeze your glutes on your left. And now arms inhale. Slowly exhale, shoulders back and down. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Change your leg. Now squeeze the glutes on your right for stronger balance. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades. Really feel the stretch, not only your right leg, left hip, but also chest and shoulders. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, so let's stand up. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale, bend your knees. Hips low. Try to reach to the floor. If you can, rest your hands down on the ground. Reach for your opposite elbow. But knees bent all the time. And now your head, shake it yes and no. Rock your arms side to side. And slowly, if your knees bend even more, slowly roll up. As you completely upright, straight legs. Lift your arms. Shoulders back and down again. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Hands on your lower back. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Lift your chest high. Squeeze your glutes. Hips forward. Remember, you're not feeling anything in your lower back. No discomfort, no pain. And you're smiling during the stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Maybe one more, but be very gentle with this movement. And stretch lower back by folding forward again. Knees bent, hips low, because you're trying to rest your upper body on your legs. Now rock your body back and forth. And now, rock side to side, could be legs wider than your shoulders width apart. Back to center, hands on the floor. Bring your knees and child pose. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Another session, 15 minutes, daily stretching for your body. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. And again, if you forgot, please subscribe. Never miss any videos. We live streaming and uploading almost every day. So thank you for today. Thank you for watching and being with us, all your amazing support, and see you tomorrow. Bye guys.